Hey everyone, Ultimate Tip Up here. Just wanted to kind of give you an idea how well these tip ups work in really bad conditions. It's snowing. It's about 10 degrees below zero with the wind chill. We're getting a lot of snow here. As you can see, the tip up is pretty snowed in. What we got inside is that hole is nice and open. The jigging system is running good. Everything's working great. Candles burning back there. Just wanted to do this quick video to show everyone that these are going to work in pretty harsh conditions, and they're maintenance free. Never have to come check your holes. One candle will burn for about 8 hours, and you really don't need to be checking them before that. So have fun on the ice, everyone. Be safe. Ultimate Tip Up.